today is my actual birthday. So today that I'm filming this, it's the 6th of February. Woo! Anyway, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell because you know YouTube be playing us dirty. So today I'm doing an unboxing. I saw this from Precious Crown actually, but I've always wanted to try this brand. So she's tried another brand and I wanted to try this brand. It literally came in the post and it's called Roccabox. There we have it. Nice little snap photo. And I'm doing, oh look, money can't buy happiness, but it can buy a Roccabox. My light be so bright, I don't even know if you can see. But anyway, I love my little facial stuff. Oh, I'm taking you on a journey of beauty to discover. That is so cute. I'm in my nail room. Let me see if I can turn down the light and then you can see it. Oh, can you imagine? I'm in my nail room. I've got to make use of it, even though I don't have any clients. And it comes with a little leaflet without the things dropping out of the box. Right, so it says Galentine's. Oh yeah, because you know that's the Galentine's is with your girlfriends and stuff instead of Valentine's. Hey, Roccabox February is known as the month of love, and I for one plan to spend quality time with my number one this month. From the comfort of our living room, of course. When it comes to date nights or play days, I always indulge in a little extra pampering, and I have a very specific pre-date beauty agenda. And then it has some other stuff as well. And it says Love TR, which is the founder. Cool. So what is in our box? So you get 5 different things. So we've got a Crabtree in Evelyn, which is a soft touch face foam. What's this? A Sopa Dopa, which is a shea body butter. I like my shea stuff. Then we've got a Fur Amber, which is a floral or perfume oil. Okay. Then they've got Nip and Fab No Needle Fix Eye Sheet Mask. And then an extra treat. Okay, they got us a little juice, little rose lemonade, which I love. Cool. So, I don't know if I showed you, so it comes like in a little thing like that. So let's get into it. So it shows you that you get 2 full size, 2 travel, and then you get the drink. Do you know what? I'm not gonna lie, I love this brand. I hate the fact that it's light. I'm trying to keep my weight, not lose it. So yeah, but I do like it. Rose lemonade. Ooh. Rose, sorry, not rose. But it doesn't have the accent on the E, so it's probably rose and not rose. So we got one of those. So the body butter is travel size. Oh, it smells so nice. It's very light. You see, I'm trying to cream it in. It has like some type of scent to it. It's cruelty free and vegan free. You know I do vegan now, so it's vegan free. It says for very dry skin. Now that I've creamed it in, it's quite smooth and soft. So check that out. So that's their body butter. And then they've got a travel size Evelyn Rose soft touch face foam. So this is a travel size one. I just want to see what it smells like. It smells like rose water. If you know what rose water smells like. So we've got one of those. So that's this one. So we got Project Lip. Just for your lip. Project Lip. I don't know if this is a bonus because I don't see it on this card. Oh, shame! It's the first thing on here, on this side. So Project Lip, which is perfect lip, plump and colour. My lips do not need pumping. Plumping. Let me turn up the light a bit. Oh, it smells good. So like that is the colour. Now I'm gonna just swatch it on my skin. So it's kind of like a nudie colour. Oh, I'm gonna have to come off camera to show you and insert a clip of how it looks, but it smells really good. Then we have the next is we have the Floral Oud perfume oil. I love perfume oils, especially the Arab ones. Yo, if you could smell this. It smells nice. So this is going for £18. Sorry, all the things have prices on. So this is going for £18. The body butter is £3.99. The touch face foam is £4. The drink they says retails at £1. So this is the most expensive thing. Yes, because the perfect lip thing, which I'm going to show you, that is £14. So yeah. It smells so good. I like it. And last but not least, which I don't think I would use, is a Nip Fab Fixes No Needle Fix Eye Mask. So it says target eye goggling mask to plump fine lines and wrinkles. I don't have any of those things. But yeah, and this comes in at £6. So with everything that was in this box, it was over £30. And this box is just £10 a month, like literally £10 a month. And so there's a link down below that I'm gonna pop in. So I got you a little, a little discount. So for your first order, you will get 20% off. 20% off. I mean, in a lockdown, 20% is everything right now. So yeah, that will be 20% off your £10. So just click the link down below. If you would like to try, you can cancel your subscription at any time, or you don't even have to do a subscription. You can do a one-off box. So you can literally just click to purchase for February, March, or the previous box. So it's up to you. So I'll be doing this for 3 months. So every month I'll be coming to you with a box, and you'll still be eligible for your 20% off. So I'll still be keeping the link down below. But yeah, that is me over and out. I'm going to enjoy my birthday, quarantine birthday. Love you guys. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your friend, tell your auntie, tell your uncle, tell your boyfriend, whoever. Over.